Hi, this is David with the Enzo Trading System. This is going to be just a quick market update as far as our trades in the markets that we are on, which is some major 19 markets. Starting from Bitcoin, Bitcoin has been going down. It's pretty clear from the news. Our last trade on it was on the December the 31st. So it was more than a week ago. And thankfully, we haven't had any other trades on this, any other long trades. We closed the last one at about 48K, and now it's about 42 and 500. And our trend indicator is signaling all the way to the red. So it may continue to go down, but I mean, we don't care. We'll see what the algorithms decide to do. One thing that has been doing quite well is Atom. We're currently on Atom at about plus 18% on an open position, so unrealized profit. So it should be multiplied by whatever leverage, and also one should consider the fact that that's unrealized profit. It may likely go up and then back down, and hopefully we'll close with some profit on this. But we also had already some profit on the previous two positions, plus 16%, plus 6%, and plus 16% later on. The last position was closer by relative stop loss, something quite rare in our algorithms, but sometimes kicks in when there's really drastic drop from top. In this case, it may have been better not to have it. It really depends. I guess considering the fact that we're trading with leverage, even though it closed and then opened at a slightly less advantageous price later on. This was kind of by itself, it was a loss of potential profit, but at the same time, closing the position meant that we had more margin that could have been that was then invested in the opening the new position. So it may have been net positive. I'm not sure. It really depends, but I mean, these are the algorithms. Whatever they do, it's fine with me as long as we get some decent profit. And yeah, speaking of algorithms and markets that are doing well, another one that has been doing well is Phantom. There was a position plus 14%, and that was closed, I guess, a few hours ago. But in this case, it didn't actually become a live trade because right now the portfolio management has Phantom allocated at 0%. So as it happens, because Phantom hasn't been performing so well recently, again, not necessarily the market itself, but as far as our algorithms go, then the system decided that it wasn't going to allocate any margin to this market for the time being. And I guess this highlights the fact that we had this, in the recent months, we had this change where we're now, rather than trying to optimize too hard on a specific market, rather than trying to optimize the algorithms for a specific market, we are kind of content to have algorithms that work well in certain cases, and then let the portfolio management, the position management decide if a market at any given time is fits the range, the capabilities of the algorithms. And if it does, it gets an allocation, like it's happening for Atom or BCH or Ripple. And if it doesn't, then nothing is allocated. Of course, there can be cases in which it would have been better to have something allocated, but this is an individual position. Nevertheless, the key thing is that the algorithms have been doing poorly on this market, so it wasn't worth trading on it. I'm actually pretty happy with the situation right now. This is a very good test of the ability to handle this this diversification and through the portfolio management that we implemented. So it's doing pretty well in this kind of market, which is kind of the more difficult one. Hopefully we'll continue to do well when things get even better. So until then, have fun. See you next time.